How's it going, guys? Got a project ahead of us today. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Take a wild guess what this is going to be for. If you guessed a floating dock, you would be correct. That's what we're going to be building today. So we're going to lay this out, come up with a configuration on how we want this done. It's going to be a 12 by 5 floating dock. So we got 6 of these blue airtight containers to help keep it afloat, and we got enough wood to do this. So we're gonna get to it, and I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, so we got the frame done. As you can see, each one of them are set in place. I've got 2 ratchet straps that hold this thing together on the bottom. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over and then start putting the deck boards on. I also put these right here, which would be the bottom. But when you're in the water and stuff, if this thing is floating too high, I'm able to put water or unscrew those, and water will be able to come in, and we'll be able to level out the floating deck. So that's that for now, and I'll get back with you in just a second. Okay, we got the dock done, and now we got to transport it to the water, and we'll be doing that right now. And there it is, our floating dock. It looks like we could go ahead and add a little bit of water to it to bring it down a little bit, but for the most part, it's a floating. All right, we're gonna set it up, and I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, well, we got her in the water and nice and secure. Now, let's see how it works. Looks like it does a pretty good job. How'd it do?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was our chore today. I went ahead and made this like little ramp thing and anchored it to the ground right here. And I just put some hinges on here just to keep with the wobbling. It does have some bounce to it, no doubt about it, but I think we'll be all right. You think you can climb up it?
Yeah, hold on.
See if you can climb up it.
No.
No? So anyway, there's our floating dock. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, comment below, and I will see you on the next video.